Hello friends, my name is Natalia Porsche, and in this video I will tell you about U-Visa and a role that law enforcement authorities play in this process. The Congress enacted a federal law to protect victims of certain criminal activities. The intent behind that is that the victim can come forward even that this person is undocumented in the United States. Let's say a victim of domestic violence, a victim of blackmailing, a victim of fraud, foreign labor fraud, contracting, and certain other activities that Congress decided to protect by enacting federal law in order for these people to feel safe even if they are undocumented. So what the person gets, undocumented foreign national, gets when he or she applies for a U-Visa. Well, in order to be even eligible to apply for a U-Visa, the victim of certain criminal activity must contact law enforcement authority in order for him or her to sign a certification based on which this person will be able to obtain a U-Visa. The certification must be provided by certain authorized state or federal law enforcement personnel, and also a judge, state judge or federal judge can sign this U-Visa certification. In order to be eligible to get a U-Visa, like I said, you must be a victim of certain crime. And the second criteria is that you must cooperate with the law enforcement. You must assist law enforcement with a process of investigation. Right? So there are only certain people, certain state or federal authorities who can sign a U-Visa certification. And keep in mind, if you don't have a U-Visa certification, you will not be able to apply for a U-Visa. And also, you will be able to get a work permit when you apply for a U-Visa. U-Visa, keep in mind that U-Visa is very long process. It's not a one-day process. USCIS does a very deep investigation into your case and see whether you're eligible for a U-Visa or not. So U-Visa can take up to several years actually to get. So what else U-Visa provide? So U-Visa provide temporary immigration status, so you will be here in the United States legally, and also it provides you with a work authorization permit, right? So even if you enter the country legally, you still will be able to apply for a U-Visa if you are eligible, right? If you are a victim of certain criminal activity and you assisted law enforcement in investigation and possibly conviction, right, of the perpetrator of the crime. Also, your family members will be eligible for a U-Visa. When you apply for a U-Visa, you have to put your family members into your application, so therefore they also will be eligible to apply with you. And it also sometimes it leads to receiving a green card, right? So you actually can receive a green card if you apply for a U-Visa, and there is a certain requirement again that you must meet. Okay, so certification, like I mentioned, from law enforcement officials, it's form I-918, and there is a supplement B. So unfortunately, without this supplement B and I-918 certification for U-Visa, you will not be able to apply for U-Visa, and you will be automatically rejected even if you do. So who can sign this supplement, this certificate from law enforcement? Well, it's the head of the state or a federal law enforcement agency. It's a state or a federal judge. And in some cases, prosecutor, I believe, must also sign it. But again, remember, you must consult with an experienced immigration attorney before you apply for a U-Visa, right? So this is only general information, guys, and this is my disclaimer that it's not supposed to be treated as an attorney advice. Always consult your immigration attorney in order to obtain the proper advice, which is suitable for your specific case, for your facts, right? Again, so the U-Visa, to recap, is very, very important for people who are undocumented foreign nationals in the United States who were or are victims of certain criminal activities such as murder, rape, blackmail, like I said, fraud related to foreign labor, contracting. So they are very specific, and in order to find out, and domestic abuse, of course, and in order to find out whether you are eligible, even eligible to apply for U-Visa, you must contact an experienced immigration attorney. And remember, keep in mind that U visa sometimes takes a long time because USCIS will be checking you out, will do investigation about your case and see whether you are eligible. And if you're eligible, you will be able to get a work permit. And there is a path to a green card if you're eligible for a U visa. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, put thumbs up. Goodbye.